I am standing here.
Yes, you are standing here with me.
I am inside the supermarket.
That is right. We are inside the supermarket.
It is very big.
Yes, it is big and clean.
I see many people.
Many people come here every day.
I see many shelves.
The shelves have food.
There is food everywhere.
Yes, food is on every shelf.
I want to walk slowly.
We can walk slowly.
I am holding the cart.
Good. The cart is empty now.
The cart is light.
Yes, it is easy to push.
I want to buy vegetables.
Let us go to the vegetable section.
We are walking now.
Yes, we are walking together.
I see green vegetables.
These are fresh vegetables.
I see tomatoes.
Yes, these are tomatoes.
The tomatoes are red.
Yes, they are red and fresh.
I want to buy tomatoes.
You can take the tomatoes.
I am picking tomatoes.
Take your time.
I am putting tomatoes in the bag.
That is good.
I want potatoes.
The potatoes are here.
I see many potatoes.
Yes, they are on the shelf.
How much are these potatoes?
They are $2 per kilo.
I will take 1 kilo.
Okay, put them in the cart.
I am putting potatoes in the cart.
The cart is not empty now.
Yes, the cart has food.
We will continue shopping.
I want to buy fruit now.
Let us go to the fruit section.
I see apples.
These apples are fresh.
I like apples.
You can buy apples.
I will buy 6 apples.
That is fine.
I am counting apples.
Take your time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good.
I am putting apples in the cart.
The cart is getting full slowly.
I feel comfortable here.
That is good.
I want to keep going.
Yes, we will keep going slowly.
We are walking again.
Yes, we are walking slowly.
Now we are near the dairy section.
I see milk.
Yes, this is the dairy section.
I see many bottles of milk.
There are many choices.
I want 1 bottle of milk.
You can take 1 bottle.
I am picking 1 bottle of milk.
Hold it carefully.
I am holding it carefully.
Put it in the cart.
I am putting the milk in the cart.
The cart is getting heavier.
Yes, the cart is heavier now.
Look at the eggs.
I see eggs on the shelf.
How many eggs do you need?
I need 12 eggs.
Take 1 box.
I am taking 1 box of eggs.
Be careful with the box.
I am being careful.
Put the eggs in the cart.
I am putting the eggs in the cart.
Good.
I want bread.
The bread is near the bakery.
I can see bread.
There are many kinds of bread.
I want this bread.
You can take it.
I am taking the bread.
Put it in the cart.
The bread is in the cart.
Now look around.
I am looking around.
We have time.
I feel relaxed.
That is good.
I want to buy rice.
The rice is in the next aisle.
We are walking to the next aisle.
Yes, we are moving slowly.
I see bags of rice.
These are bags of rice.
The bags are heavy.
Take a small bag.
I am taking a small bag.
Put it in the cart.
I am putting the rice in the cart.
The cart is almost full.
Yes, it is almost full.
We will go to the checkout soon.
Okay, I am ready.
Let us walk to the checkout.
We are walking to the checkout.
I see the cashier.
I see the cashier too.
Stand in this line.
I am standing in the line.
The line is short.
Yes, the line is short.
It is your turn now.
I am moving forward.
Put the items on the counter.
I am putting the items on the counter.
The cashier is scanning the items.
I am watching the screen.
You can ask the total.
How much is the total?
The total is $20.
I will pay by card.
That is fine.
I am paying now.
Take your card back.
I am taking my card.
Take the receipt.
I am taking the receipt.
We are done here.
Yes, we are done.
Let us leave the supermarket.
We are walking out slowly.
We are outside now.
Yes, we are outside the supermarket.
The air feels calm.
I am standing near the door.
We can walk slowly to the parking area.
We are walking slowly.
Hold the shopping bags carefully.
I am holding the bags carefully.
The bags are not too heavy.
Yes, they are not too heavy.
We can stop for a moment.
I am stopping for a moment.
Look around.
I see cars.
There are many cars here.
People are walking.
Yes, people are going home.
I am walking with you.
We are walking together.
I feel comfortable speaking English.
That is good.
We spoke English inside.
Yes, we spoke slowly.
I said many sentences.
You said many sentences.
I did not hurry.
That is right.
We took our time.
Taking time is good.
I like speaking slowly.
Slow speaking is clear.
Clear speaking feels easy.
Yes, it feels easy.
We are still walking.
Yes, we are still walking.
I am looking ahead.
The way is clear.
I am holding the bags.
Hold them close.
I am holding them close.
We are almost at the car.
Yes, I see the car.
Open the door slowly.
I am opening the door.
Put the bags inside.
I am putting the bags inside.
Close the door.
I am closing the door.
We can sit now.
I am sitting now.
Take a slow breath.
I am breathing slowly.
We can talk again.
Yes, we can talk again.
What did we buy today?
We bought vegetables.
Yes, we bought vegetables.
We bought fruit.
Yes, we bought fruit.
We bought milk.
Yes, we bought milk.
We bought bread.
Yes, we bought bread.
We bought eggs.
That is right.
We spoke in English.
Yes, we spoke in English.
We spoke slowly.
Slow speaking is good.
I want to practice again.
We will practice again.
Next time feels easy.
Yes, next time feels easy.
I am ready to go home.
We can go home now.
We are leaving slowly.
The day feels calm.
Yes, the day feels calm.
We will speak again soon.
Yes, we will speak again.